Hey guys, welcome back to another episode of Alvin Lap Outdoors. I'm here with my younger siblings,
Again.
Elijah and Mally. We're gonna try to get them to catch a fish. Hopefully we get it done. Stay tuned. Okay, I wasn't recording, but Elijah just caught his first fish. Don't reel it all the way up. His first fish in like 3 years.
Oh no, it's you.
There we go. Look at this guy. Of course I wasn't recording when that happened. Of course.
Ooh.
How was that, Elijah? Wait, we'll interview it. Look at this. Here you go, Elijah. Oh, don't touch these or these. Here. Stick it further in, like this.
It's sharp.
So, stick your thumb in. Come on, we don't have all day. Come on, it's not that bad.
Just throw it in.
Okay, Elijah's not willing to hold the fish. Okay, this is Elijah's first fish in like 5 years. What are you gonna name her?
I'll name him Larry the fish.
Larry. See ya, Larry. Good job, Elijah. Oh, got my pants stuck.
I caught one.
Oh. Don't.
Baby Alvin.
Good job, Elijah.
Oh.
First fish in forever.
Well, thanks for watching this episode of Alvin Lab Outdoors. See you next time. Bye.
It wasn't a bad fish either. And it was like the first 5 minutes. And I wasn't even recording because, of course, I wasn't. Because Elijah was like, oh, I want to start before you record. Before you say go ahead.
Maybe I wouldn't have caught Larry.
So you were caught another one. So that is, oh, we should weight it. We're going to weigh the next one to see what Elijah's official PB is.
Now you gotta tell us maybe a PB. I mean, it's not really
Yeah.
a PB.
No, but it is. I guarantee you haven't caught a fish bigger than that.
You know what we do here when we get seaweed? We beat the devil out of it.
Elijah, don't beat the devil out of it too much. You're gonna splash it all over the place. Okay, interview. How do you feel about catching your first fish in a long time?
Oh man, what happened? Oh.
How do you feel about that?
Good.
Wait, don't fix that. Any other feelings? Good isn't good enough for
Okay,
this interview.
good. I feel like I haven't caught a fish in, how long was it? Like 20 years. So I caught my first fish when I was like 4 or something. And then, like 3 or something years ago, I went fishing with my cousins and I caught another fish. And now we have the third fish on
Very interesting.
camera.
Good. Thanks for the interview.
I think it's time for the VeggieTales review of the week.
VeggieTales review of the week.
Didn't we watch, huh? No, that was yesterday. We watched Josh and the Big Wall. And let me just say, you guys should keep walking. If you want to check it out on YouTube.
What channel?
The best channel to watch VeggieTales episodes
I
is
got
the Peach from the IRS. Come on.
Okay.
And
Josh
the
and the Big
review
Wall.
is it's 8 out of 10. It could be better because sometimes it's just boring. When the Peas sing that song, it's so perfect. No spoilers here.
And now back to fishing. What are you doing, Mally? Get off the floor. Get up and fish. Get up and fish. You know what you did was dumb. have grabbed him. Don't blame that on me. Don't blame that on me.
It's wrong with you. Comment below if you get what Alvin's saying. 'Cause I don't
You know what you did was dumb.
Yeah.
Oh, so there's nothing I could have done there. You know that wasn't my fault.
Are you watching my dreams?
That was a 10-pounder. Yeah, I saw it. I saw it. You're gonna see the whole thing on video. I caught it. The GoPro caught the whole thing. Your current face
I
backwards.
get it now.
What?
It's me, isn't it?
No. It's not. Mallie, are you like not fishing anymore or what?
Now I quit.
Mallie quits after Elijah, untangle your bait.
Oh.
After not catching anything for 10 minutes. Will Mallie start fishing again? This is the question.
These are the questions. You heard it here first, folks.
Mallie says no. Why not? Look, Mallie, they're blowing up behind you. Watch this.
I don't see anything.
Go up front as a counterbalance, Elijah.
Whoa. Water is.
Elijah, you almost killed me again. Why does this happen every single time?
Another one now.
Mallie, what are you going to do inside? We weren't even out here for half an hour. You can let up the anchor boy.
Why are you pulling up the anchor?
Because we want to move over here because the fish are blowing up over here.
Oh no, that's not good. Could
What?
be dangerous. They're blowing up. Looking for how to get off the boats with Alvin. Part of the show, Alvin.
No, with Mallie.
With Mallie.
The part of the show where Mallie gives up and jumps off the boat. Okay.
Don't.
If you guys are just tuning in now, Elijah caught his first fish, so I'd recommend watching that. And we ditched Mallie because he was just complaining. What was that? Elijah, you were doing so good right when we came out.
Yeah, I know.
What happened?
Bang!
Okay, now let go a little later and follow through with your rod.
That way. Hey, Lure, I dare you to go that way.
Elijah, quit doing that.
Huh?
Quit letting go and keeping it straight like this. You're like this. You need to go like this.
Wow, what a great series.
What?
Of
You
catching-
destroying my rods? I mean reels?
Yeah.
Elijah,
Oh,
stop reeling, stop. Here,
what a
take this one. Can't trust this kid with anything. Next time we need to get you to catch a bass. That'll be the next video. Oh, snap. I don't know if you see the geese fighting, but they are fighting. Exciting stuff going on over here.
look, there are two more that are coming.
These geese.
What?
Just coming in right there. Look at them things. Snap.
Hey guys, thanks for watching this episode of Alvin Laps Outdoors. I'm recommending the Peach from the IRS. If you want to see more Alvin Lap, push here to subscribe. If you want to see the last episode with me, push here. Thanks for watching. See you guys next time. Bye. See ya. Bye.